Today we will be talking about what is happening to Bitcoin right now. We will be showing you some fundamentals and how everything is going to happen in the future, but also in the immediate short term. We are going to be showing you the next price targets that we are thinking. Is Bitcoin going to pump basically up to this specific price target, or is gonna go down and retest this area that we have been talking about? Don't forget to scroll down, smash up the like button, subscribe, and also the bell for all the notifications. Guys, welcome to Crypto Miner. My name is Argiris, and as always guys, we pump straight into the content. Straight into the Bitcoin chart. What is happening within this week? As you can see here, we are in 1 minute chart, and we have seen actually the last moment that Bitcoin have pumped over this descending triangle up to 10,400 level, and then it rejected. Why? Everything is happening for a reason, guys. Everything that we do and we see in the immediate short term or long time frame, it has to do with what people are thinking, what is happening regarding their feelings, how do they approaching every single move. We have to see, guys, that everything that is happening regarding this case scenario here is the pressure that basically the traders are creating. What are we waiting for the short period? What is gonna happen within the next 4 hours, or what is gonna also happen in the future? First scenario, why everyone is wondering about, is that Bitcoin most likely will consolidate in this area and then is gonna jump over to $11,000 level. Why all of this is happening? Guys, you have to be really careful and think about the facts. If we are going to close a weekly candlestick over this level, then we can start thinking again that next week will be very bullish, and most likely we are gonna jump and continue our bull market as we have seen before. Second and most likely scenario is that we are going to continue the consolidation after we got rejected here, and in the ending of this week or a little bit before, we are gonna get rejected down to 9,650 until we are going to continue the uptrend over the $11,000. Consolidate in this area the upcoming week if we really want to be bullish and go up and continue our bullish trend. Why all of this? Guys, don't forget ever, we have created a gap back to the CME futures contract in this specific level that most likely we have to cover so we can be fully bullish. People are asking us all the time what is gonna happen to Bitcoin, why we have had this rejection. Guys, as you can see here, nothing had really happened. If you see, we had like 20% rejection, and people cannot even basically stand this in a bull market. If you go back to the chart, guys, always go to the day time frame, and you can see that basically nothing happened at all. We are performing in a bull market, and we haven't even get rejected basically by the weekly moving average that we should retest this to be fully bullish for the long term, and we can see that this trend line is gonna follow up and show us what the stock to flow ratio model has to show us. As you can see, everyone is screaming of what basically is happening from people that they actually know and invest, and also taking care of the market. If you can see here, Altcoin Daily have just posted that do not be fooled, whales are buying. This is a bear trap. Why everyone is screaming from all of these people that they actually do a research? Guys, the Bitcoin and the number of addresses that they are holding Bitcoin increased so much lately. This means that the number of addresses that they are holding, more than one Bitcoin, have reached all-time high, and this have never happened before, as you can see here. In this case scenario, what we are going to experience is that Bitcoin will most likely continue this bull run. It's basically gonna take us more than $100,000 within a very short period of time. And why we say this? Everything that we are doing has a scientific approach to the facts. We always watching the charts and the fundamental analysis, and then we go back and we are testing everything that have happened to the past, and we are correlating all of this to the present that we are actually right now. So guys, what are you going to do? Are you going to just sell all of the Bitcoin that you have really tried all this period of time to buy for pennies, for nothing, for the hyperinflation that is coming, and you are going to be basically collapsed in your bank accounts, or you are going to lean back and check all of these whales and everyone that has money and accumulating in this period of time buying Bitcoin and reaching another level while others making money and you are standing in the backside by watching stock market collapsing. Bit Harrington is bringing out a stock to flow ratio model, and he explains that if we don't reach these specific prices here within May 2021 and then in January 2022 in combination, then he will stop actually trusting the stock to flow ratio model. But guys, let's go back to the chart and check where we are in right now. People are screaming why we have correction in the market. There is no market in the world, as we have said, that just goes up. Even someone told you that everything that we are buying is gonna just increase and go 10x within like some days and you will get rich. Guys, this is the number one liar that you have heard in your life. There is no market in the world just goes up. And as you can see in the stock to flow ratio model, we are following perfectly. The average price within the January or February 2022 is gonna be $100,000. Even this is gonna be up or down. The average price is gonna be $100,000. This is the chart of Bitcoin for the last 10 years. What do you really think when you are watching this? That is going to happen very soon. You can see, guys, that we have, if someone have bought Bitcoin in 2010, today have reached this number that I cannot even pronounce. Do you understand the value for money and how early we are right now regarding the demand of Bitcoin and how it's gonna be within 5 years? We don't say for really long term, but we just say the next 5 years. So the addresses that they are basically holding Bitcoin right now, they are gonna be millionaires with a 0.23 Bitcoin statistically just by holding. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for all the appreciation you are giving. We are gonna see you in the next episode of Crypto Minder. Don't forget to scroll down, smash up the like button, the button of all the notifications, and the subscribe. And don't forget to make some noise for us guys and the hard work we are doing on Crypto Minder. We are gonna prepare something really new and nice for the upcoming weeks that you cannot imagine. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for watching Crypto Minder. My name is Argyris and see you in the next episode.